69 Daytona that belongs to Troy Hawk. And we are going out for a ride. All right, kiddos, here we go. If you've wondered what it's like to be in a 69 Daytona, this is it. 426 Hemi. The real deal Holyfield. That's Troy.
Hey guys.
And you can hear it. Let's go around the block. It's good. Anyway, that's Troy Hawks, and this is the 426 1969 Daytona. Holy Jesus, man, that's awesome. You can just feel all the torque. Up there you can see the hood locks, the hood pins, there you go. And here we are in beautiful Houston, Texas, Space City, USA, and we're taking it out for a drive. Dude, so how long have you had the car?
Since 2007. I got it back for my second deployment in Iraq. So yeah, I traded 2 cars for it, and I've had it since 07.
Was this the original color?
Yep.
And this is what, is it Go Mango?
No, Hemi Orange.
Oh, Hemi Orange.
Yeah.
It looks a little bit like Go Mango.
Yep.
And so check it out, here we are in the underpass. Man, you can just feel the rumble. So has anything been done to the motor, or is it just all stock?
The motor's stock. I've got TTI headers on it, ceramic headers, and then I put the because I don't have to worry about spark plug wires with a Hemi, you know.
It just sounds so, it sounds like a race car.
And I put UTP electric dumps on it.
Damn! Man, the back end just breaks loose. It's just different, you know. So sometimes when I ride in newer cars, they're very refined, but in the older cars, I always say this: you have the windows down. It's cool. It's not turbulent or crazy.
And pure grit.
So take a look at the inside. There's the headliner, back seats. It's a clean car. Old school radio. And when we posted this a while back when you were here at the Hot Rod Show, you did a burnout. It's got almost 600,000 views. That burnout does. It got picked up by Donut Media. It got over 1 million views there. Chrysler picked it up. They didn't give me credit for it. We'll be into that underpass, and you'll be able to hear the 426 in all its beautiful glory. And this is a real 426 Hemi. Yeah, I got freaking out on the car. It just hooks and just goes. Oh, there you go. So now you got a rough idea of what it's like to creep around in a 69 426 Daytona out here in the hood.
Yeah, I think it's time for me to go to the grocery store.
There you go.